Whenever you want to design a 360 review template, click on Forms option in Administration, then click on Templates tab, and then click on Create a new template. Once you click on Create a new template, you can select the base template that you want to create. So let us see how to create a 360 review template. Here is a workflow that tells you how forms is going to be transmitted within the system, or what all transitions are there for a 360 review template. You can also see the list of involved users. So four types of users are involved in this process for 360 review. That's team member, who is going to be reviewed by his manager, peers, and direct reports. You can add multiple managers, multiple peers, and multiple direct reports at one time for to review or to gather comments or reviews, performance review of one team member. So we will see how to add multiple reviewers while in the distribution in the video related to form distribution or 360 review form distribution. Now click on next. Once you click on next, you will be navigated to form builder page where you actually create your template. You actually create your questionnaire. So on this page, you can see three tabs. First is form settings, where you have to write down a name of your template. So let us say this review template is specifically for a marketing team. So review for marketing team. You can write down a description about this form if you have some instructions or some special information to share about this particular template. Then click on add field. So on add field, you can see number of different types of questions here, question types here. So in cloud version, there are 8 types of questions, whereas in server version of UpRaise, you will find 10 types of questions. So you can simply click on these questions. You can repeat any question type. You can just move question order, or you can copy a question, or you can simply delete a question. So this allows you to edit your questionnaire or your template. When it comes to adding questions and choices, you simply need to click on this field, and then you will see the tab is moved to field settings. So here you can write down your question, write down description. You can make the question mandatory or optional. So here it gives you complete flexibility to create your questionnaire in any way you want. So let us say this is multiple choice question. If you want to add more choices, you can add, you can delete existing ones. You will have to edit these choice tags. You can write down a question. If you want, you can write specific instructions about a question, make it mandatory or optional. You can add extra comment box. So you can see when I just deselected it, the question box, the comment box disappeared. Whereas when I click on it, it shows a question, it shows a comment box here. You can also associate scores and weightage with questions. So we have a separate video on scores and weightage related to forms. So you can get more details about that in score related video. Once you are done with writing down your template or adding questions in the template, you can click on save if you want to save it in the system. If you want to distribute it right away, click on save and next, and it will take you to the distribution page where you actually need to set due date of the process. And if you want, you can add different reminders, then add users and distribute the form amongst your team members. So this is how you can create a 360 review template. And one more important thing about 360 review is, as I told you that there are different types of reviewers involved in this process, like managers, then peers, direct reports. So the same questionnaire will be available for will be distributed to all type of reviewers, and they will, of course, they will get a different form individually, but same questionnaire will be available for all type of reviewers. So whatever questions you add will be distributed as a separate form for each reviewer. Then they will fill up the form, complete it, and save in the system.